Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. This is a brand new, never before seen method I'm about to show you guys today. I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without being on camera, without showing your face whatsoever. I'm going to show you a live case study that I'm implementing right now. So if you're excited for this video, stay tuned, like this video if you're looking forward to the content. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. This channel is all about helping you live a life and create a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So here we are on Google Trends. Google Trends, for those of you guys that don't know, I've shown you guys this before. For those of you guys that are current subscribers, for those of you that aren't, Google Trends will actually show you what people are typing in to Google right now. Why is this important? Because what we can do is you can find new markets and new keywords or search phrases within those markets that have very little to no competition. Therefore, we can create a blog, we can create an article, and rank that at the top of Google extremely easily. So with that being said, I'm going to show you this method using Google Trends. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get an article created without you having to type whatsoever, and then get a video created without having to show your face at all, and taking that article, repurposing it, and turning it into a video very easily. I did this all today in a matter of about an hour, 2 hours, maybe at the most. And so we're going to walk you through this right now. So what you want to do, first of all, is you want to type in a general market you want to go into. So it could be real estate, it could be make money online, it could be weight loss, it could be muscle building. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to type in weight loss. And so what's going to happen here, we'll go to search term, and it's going to show us the topics related to weight loss that are trending right now. So you can see the states in the US where this topic is trending. You can see the specific key phrases or search terms that are trending right now. This means that there's a lot of people right now typing in best weight loss pills 2019. And then you have Jenna Jameson, American Entrepreneur, Shark Tank, intermittent fasting, ketogenic diet, and Kelly Clarkson. So what I did is I just selected one of these arbitrarily. I just selected ketogenic diet. And what's going to happen is it's going to show a bunch of search phrases that are trending right now for ketogenic diet. So you've got keto burn extreme, keto crotch, slim fast keto, keto X factor, and then you can go on and on for a few pages. So what I did is I went through these key phrases individually, and I found the ones that are on an uptrend. In other words, what I can do is I can click on Keto Burn Extreme in a new window, and it's going to show the trend. And the trend represents, okay, for example, right here, February 17th to the 23rd, the popularity was 97 out of 100, which means it was super popular. And then it dropped back down here, went back up at the end of April, dropped down, and now it looks like it's on an upward trend. So I take a look at this and judge, okay, would it be worth it, create a video or create an article around this specific search term and rank it at the top so I can ride the wave of this trend. And so what I did is I not only wrote down that search term, but I kept going on and I went through all these different search terms down the list. You can see this one's trending down, so I didn't pick that one. But I just continued to go page by page. Oh, that's the wrong one. I continued to go page by page. For example, let's see, Keto BHP. This one is about to go on an uptrend. That's at least a projection right here from June 2nd to June 8th. So that's another one that I would write down. And then what I would do is I would write all these search terms into an Excel spreadsheet. You can type in Google Excel into Google. They have their own, web-based program, Excel program that's 100% free as long as you have a Gmail account. And I plugged all these key phrases in, and then I would type in other related keywords or search phrases, aka search phrases, that's what a keyword is. I would type them in right here. And then I've got backlinks done. Have I sent backlinks to this article? So this is for my outsourcer. So we're not going to worry about this too much right here. This is just a checklist to make sure that I've got everything done so I have the best chance of ranking at the top. And then we got published and then article URL. So the article URL is the website where I've got the article, and then I had somebody rewrite that article so it's 100% unique. Now I showed you guys this in a last video, but wait on this here. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the formula. It's going to be completely different. So what I did is I took that first search phrase, keto burn extreme, and then I can type in different variations of that keyword, keto burn extreme reviews. And so I'm just going to type in keto burn extreme since that's the primary keyword. And then what I did is I just scrolled down here and I picked a article from the top 10. Now the article that I picked was ranking actually a few days ago. For whatever reason, it's not ranking now, which is fine. Because we're just going to be better at SEO, at actually ranking the article. But here's the one that I actually used. It was on page 2, Consumer Health Digest. You can see I copied this link and I pasted it right there. So what I'm doing for each keyword phrase or each search term is I'm finding an article, right? I'm going through the top 10 results of Google. Typically, I want to pick the very first result. And I think a few days ago, this one was like number 1 or number 2. And, if it's number 1 or number 2, that means that, the user experience is good. People are liking the article. So we want to go ahead and we want to use what works. So I copied this whole entire thing. Okay. And then I went over here to Fiverr.com and I typed in article rewriting. And then I used Janed Writers right here. 4.9 average rating and over about 600 reviews. So I went ahead and clicked on this. I made my purchase and I went ahead and once again, I copied this article, submitted it. And now what they're going to do is they're going to rewrite this article so it's 100% unique. Okay. Now, when I got the article back, here's the raw article right here. I did have to make quite a few changes. I mean, it took me about 5 to 10 minutes to make these changes. There was quite a few typos. The sentence structure was wrong. Some grammar, punctuation was wrong. And so I did have to make some changes. Now, this person had this done for me. I paid an extra $5 for them to get it done for me in a day. So it cost me total about $27 to have this article written. But on the grand scheme of things, this one article is going to produce hundreds of dollars for me because according to Google Trends, it's a search phrase that's really hot right now. And so what I did is I just went through here, made some fixes, and I'll probably test some other article rewriters just to see if they're better than what I used here. But this was good enough for the price. So I made some edits. And what I did is I went ahead and I posted this on my blog. This is a brand new blog. It's called trendingweightloss.com. I set this blog up in about 5 minutes using GoDaddy.com. You can actually type in Google WordPress hosting GoDaddy. And I purchased the domain, purchased hosting. I think it was like right around $15 or so total. And then I went ahead and I threw up this stock theme that was already available. I just selected a random theme. And this is something I'm going to change and fix up over time. The goal was just to get this up and get the articles going on this blog. Because the first 60 to 90 days, this blog's going to grow a little bit slower. But after that, you're going to start to see the traffic, escalate and the sales escalate as a result of this. So what I did is I posted this unique article here. I even took the same pictures from this website and even some other websites that also ranked for Keto Burn Extreme. And I threw them up here. You can see I sprinkled different images around here, made it look easy to read. And then what I did, this was kind of the kicker. I went ahead and I created a YouTube video. So I want to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'd like to rank a video at the top of YouTube and Google, and I'd like to rank this article at the top of Google for extreme keto burn. I believe, or Keto Burn Extreme. And so what I did is I quickly made this little presentation. And the way that I did that is I just went to Google and I typed in diet keynote template. So you can put diet PowerPoint template if you're using, PowerPoint and a PC. So in my case, I just typed in diet keynote template, clicked on this third result right here. It took me to this page, and then I downloaded this free template right here, as you can see right here. And then all I did is I took my article and I just kind of took like the main points of the article. For example, the supplement that facilitates weight loss. So I'd take like this part right here, and then I would paste it right up here, right? So it facilitates weight loss. And then the next bullet point, right? I might scroll down a little bit and I might take something like, accelerates the diminishing of fat. And then once again, I'm going to post that right here. As you can see, it's right here. I'm kind of running through this a little quickly, but you guys kind of get the idea. And then all I would do is once I bullet point the whole article in different sections, so like this would be one page, right? Which I got like, what are the ingredients, which is here somewhere. Let's see, what are the ingredients? That would be one slide. This would be one slide. This would be one slide, and this would be the bullet points. You kind of get the idea, right? So I just ran through this and I threw up these slides in about 5 to 10 minutes. And then what I did is I recorded the slides on half of my screen, and on the other half of my screen, I just pretty much read through my article. And there I had a video. So then I took the video, I created a brand new channel, and I uploaded that video to my YouTube channel. And that was the formula. So what I plan on doing with this is monetizing the YouTube channel, or making money from the YouTube channel, and making money from the blog by recommending different diet products, by reviewing other diet products and supplements out there. So hopefully your creative juices are flowing. I hope you got value from this video. I hope this was thorough. If you did, please let me know by commenting below. Like this video if you got some value. Hopefully, once again, some light bulbs went off. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in complete detail, obviously I can only cover so much in this video, click in the resources section below. I've got some links that will help you make money with affiliate marketing online faster versus slower. So hope you got value. Once again, subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next video.